Hello, everybody. My name is Alexander Wong, and I am with Millennium Interstate Realty. I just wanted to take this time to personally thank you for signing up and joining our community here on the Real Estate Weekly. Expect to receive this in your inbox around 10 a.m. every single Wednesday. Here, we will be sharing tips and tricks, whether you're a buyer, seller, investor, as well as our current market data in New Jersey, so you are up to date on all the different trends and changes. We will also be sharing unlisted properties that are not available on Redfin, Zillow, that are exclusively for everybody on this list. And we will also be having a weekly business highlight where we showcase a business in New Jersey, sit down with them and ask the owner questions about what made them start, what is their passion, and everything they love about what they do. You will also down below have access to my trusty mortgage lender who has been working with us for a while now, and he will be more than glad to answer any question you have. He's only a call or text away. As well as for myself, I'll be more than happy to answer any single questions you guys may have. Even if you think it's silly, I don't mind. Shoot it over, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So I just wanted to thank you humbly again for joining our community, and I look forward to the future that we will build together.